nag-negotiate for the whole team. And then siya rin ang nagbe-brief kung ano yung situation, anong gagawin. And yun. And pero sarili niya, marami rin siyang nakaraan na unresolved issues, personal issues, na hindi ko pa siguro dapat i-disclose. Pero along the way, makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it. Sa action na barilan, no? It's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. Tapos nagtatagpo-tagpo sila. So minsan maganda minsan swak yung dynamics. Minsan may tension between characters. So it's really interesting.
So may depth din yung characters nila. But ako, I also want to ask, kasi fan talaga ako ni Ian Brennan. We know that you fly also, di ba? You're a pilot. So magagamit niyo ba yung dito?
Lahat ng skills na...
Second by Me Love, yes! Kai, congrats din sa success as Bettina. But of course, ang lovely na I'm referring to ay ang Snowreen. Yes, Anthony Jennings and Marissa Cal, you are now together again sa isang project. So, can you tell us about your feelings nung natanggap niyo yung news na magiging part kayo together ulit sa isang project, you know, coming from the success of Get By Me Love?
Well, noong una, parang binasa mo namin yung script, tapos nung nakita ko na parang, okay, medyo may glimpse pa rin ng pagka-Snowreen. Hindi naman sobra, pero andun pa rin yung fun. So parang sabi ko makaka-work ulit si Maris, and alam ko naman na masarap katabaho si Maris. Yung mga eksena namin talagang pumapatong-patong kasi dami namin naiisip talaga na pwede kong batotong lines na to, tapos sabayan mo ng ganito, yung mga gano'n. So parang laging nagbibigayan kami palagi sa eksena. Happy ako maka-work ulit si Maris.
Ako, super happy ako na maka-work ulit si Anthony. And, nung nalaman namin na action yung gagawin namin, as in sobrang excited talaga kami. Well, ako, may pressure kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakasabak ng action talaga. Ever. Siguro yung action lang na nagawa ko na dapa, ganyan. Pero, mga ganon. Pero dito talaga may intense training. And then, happy kami kasi yung mga scenes na nagawa namin so far, funny. Nakakaaliw ulit. Kami na naman magbibigay ng happiness. And yeah, excited na makasama ko ito. Yeah.
Nakita nga rin namin sa trailer, may konting kilig parts sa ganun.
Yes. Sweet.
May
Teaser lang yan.
Teaser lang. Ano pa kaya yung mangyayari, di ba? But congratulations on this project. Yes, okay. Now, let's go to our last, di ba? Andun yung care and andun yung support.
We play basketball
yes.
Between shoots.
Gusto ko
may accountability. May accountability kami sa isa't isa.
Thank you, Baron. Appreciate it. I'm sure everyone will, remember those words coming from the heart.
Right. Who would like to answer next? Kung bakit niyo po tinanggap ang project na to and what makes it different from your past projects? Maurice?
Well, I think naman all of us, we all feel so lucky to be part of the show. Kasi nung nalaman namin, meeting kami, nung nalaman namin na maging part na kami, it's super exciting kasi this production, even nung pagkasabi ni Derek Lester, they all want to reach something for action here sa Philippines. And sobrang happy kami, naging part kami nito kasi gusto talaga nila mag-break ng boundaries, lahat. Marami silang gustong i-achieve. So yeah, daming eksena. First time namin magawa, super ganda ng pagkagawa ng mga stunts, ng actions, ng scenes, ng costumes, everything. Mga guns, super ganda ng lahat. And ang ganda nilang story kasi somehow nagme-mirror siya of what's really happening in the country and all over the world. Maraming mga issues na i-resolve, maraming mga may ilahad sa mga manonood, sa mga nangyayari in real life, mga sad na nangyayari. So yeah, parang it's action-packed, but it's also full of heart, the show.
Yes. Tsaka parang may social relevance akong nakuha dun sa answer niya. And ang ganda na, may goal pala, no? To elevate the quality of
Yes.
action dramas here in the
Yeah.
Philippines. And trailer pa lang, kitang-kita na natin yon. Andun na talaga. Yes, so supportahan po natin January po yan, mga kapamilya. Okay, who else would like to answer po?
Maybe si Kyla. She's not sitting there.
Yeah, well, it's for me personally. It's my first time doing something of the action genre, and it's also something that I've always wanted to do. So when I heard about it, and when I heard that I was going to be a part of it, I was really very excited, and at the same time nervous. And syempre, I still feel quite nervous because it hasn't aired yet, and syempre, we all wanted to be successful, and we all wanted to do well because we've put so much of ourselves into the show, and we have a lot of faith because we know what we've put into it, and we're also very excited for everybody to see it. So yeah, personally for me, it was it was such an exciting project to take on, and finally I'm doing something that I really wanted to do for a long time, and sobrang saya ko because sobrang saya ng tapings namin, honestly. Because we're all together, we all have so much fun with each other. Not just us as a cast, but even with the crew. So it's such a joy to go to taping every day, to see each other every lock and cycle, and to spend time with each other. So it's really, though it can be physically exhausting at times, but yeah, it makes it so much more fun and such a joy to wake up every day and see each other kasi ang ganda ng friendship na nabuo namin as a cast. And I'm so excited for people to see that and for it to reflect on screen as well.
Galing. First time din pala niya at matagal niyang hinintay yung ganitong project. So like Maurice, it's your first time also, Kai, ng action. Ikaw, Anthony.
Ako nag-Ironheart na pala ako, pero hindi masyadong maraming action sa Ironheart kasi yung time na yun. Pero ito yung first project na parang, ayun nga, sabi ni Tito, yung pinakamalaking project na napuntahan niya sa sobrang tagal niya na sa industriya. So parang ako na bago pa lang, hindi na sorry. Tapos parang, ayun nga, sobrang excited na din kasi ako kasi simula ng training pa lang yung Muay Thai. Nakikita ko na agad yung kalalabasan, parang nakikita mo na yung mangyayari agad sa show. So parang, ayun, mas nalaman ko pa yung mga cast na kasama ko, sila Tito E, sila Richard ulit, mga barakong action stars talaga. So parang, ay, paano mo sasabay sa mga wala ako mag-training, papalaki ako ng katawan.
Paano yung preparation?
Papa-ups ako.
Magaling siya. Papa-ups ka na?
Papa-ups ako. Next year.
Wait, next year, 1 month na lang yun, ha?
Pagtapos na yung show. Pero yun nga, sobrang different ng project na yun. Sobrang kakaiba talaga. Excited lang ako na makapunta pa sa mga ibang lugar, gano'n siya. And excited pa ako sa mga training kasi kahit ngayon naman ongoing pa rin yung mga trainings namin. So parang everyday learning pa rin siya para sa amin. And ayun, excited ako na lumabas na yung show. And sana ma-enjoy yung show, guys. Kita-kita, excited.
Wait, so tutuin ko lang yun kasi sabi mo nga excited kang makapunta pa sa iba-ibang places, ganun. Saan ka pinaka nag-enjoy so far? Dun sa mga napuntahan mo na?
Actually, Palawan. First time ko kasi pumunta ng Palawan. So parang yung Italy rin naman. Pero syempre, yung Palawan, nakita ko si Kyla maging blue dun. Maging blue. So sobrang pagod niya kasi mainit yung time na yun.
Wait lang, paano naging blue si Kai? Parang may kwento behind this.
Muntik na siyang Pero sa, di ba? Nakita ko yung pagod, yung exhaust ng lahat. Basang-basa na yung mga damit namin. Ang babaw na nga namin pag So yan, ang saya ng sobrang fun ng show. Pati yung boat ride pala namin papunta sa location. Yun yung pinaka para sa ha?
Kwento mo lang lahat sabi ni DJ,
Kwento ko na lahat. Ayun lang po, thank you.
So dahil po dyan may separate interview po tayo kay Anthony Jennings after this. Opo, wag po kayo aalis.
Baka sa season 2, baka malaki na yung katawan mo.
Iaabangan namin yung pa-abs ni Anthony Jennings. And now let's go to Papa E. Na kanina parang hindi niya lang pinupuli mo ba siya or parang here.
Oh, ayun. Again, maraming salamat po sa oras ng lahat sa pagdalo ngayong gabi. sana po nag-enjoy kayo at sana po abangan ninyo ang aming munting pelikula, ang Incognito. At mag-ingat po. God bless you guys. Love you all. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta and our friends from the press.
And thank you everybody, of course, our friends from the press, yung mga fans na nandito at sa lahat ng nanonood sa mga bahay niyo. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Sana abangan ninyo yung Incognito. Marami pa kayong magagaling.
Thank you so much. We'll need you.
Anthony! Photo. Sila naman ang magkakasama sa picture. Alright, thank you. Once again, let's have...
Posting with your cubes, guys. With your pictures right behind them, the LED screens with your names and their characters.